Your home's doors play a much bigger role than simply opening and closing. They're your first line of defense against the elements, intruders, and energy loss. They also contribute to your home's curb appeal and daily comfort. For St. James homeowners, ignoring the signs of a failing door can mean higher utility bills, safety concerns, and diminished property value. Let's explore the most common signs that it's time for a door replacement, and why acting quickly benefits your home and family. Drafts and energy loss. If you feel a chill around your door even when it's shut, that's a clear sign something isn't right. Old or poorly sealed doors allow outside air to sneak in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Over time, this leads to higher energy bills and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. With St. James experiencing both hot summers and cold winters, an energy-efficient replacement door can drastically improve insulation, reduce drafts, and keep your home comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing a door should operate smoothly. If you find yourself tugging, forcing, or hearing squeaks and scrapes every time you open or shut it, the structure may be warped or damaged. Changes in humidity, age, and repeated use often cause wood or frames to swell, crack, or shift. Besides being a daily frustration, a door that won't close properly poses a security risk. Installing a new door restores ease of use and peace of mind. Visible damage or rot. Your front door is constantly exposed to St. James's weather, rain, humidity, and sun all take a toll. Cracks, dents, warping, or rot are signs the material has reached the end of its lifespan. Even small areas of rot can spread quickly, compromising the strength of your entryway. A damaged door isn't just unsightly, it's also weaker against break-ins. Upgrading to a modern, durable door ensures long-lasting protection and a fresh look for your home's exterior. Rising noise levels. If you've noticed more outdoor sounds creeping into your living room or bedrooms, your door may be to blame. Older doors often lose their insulating properties and allow noise from traffic, neighbors, or construction to filter inside. A new, well-insulated door not only blocks drafts but also provides excellent soundproofing, helping you enjoy a quieter, more relaxing home environment. Water leaks and moisture problems. Moisture around your doorframe or water stains near the threshold are signs your current door is no longer sealing properly. Left unaddressed, this can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and structural damage. St. James residents know how quickly moisture issues can escalate in our climate. Replacing your door with one designed to resist leaks protects both your investment and your health. Outdated style or reduced curb appeal. Sometimes the need for door replacement isn't about functionality alone. If your door looks outdated, faded, or simply doesn't match your home's style anymore, it can drag down your curb appeal. Since the entryway is one of the first things guests and potential buyers notice, upgrading to a stylish modern door can instantly refresh your home's appearance and even boost resale value. Why door replacement matters for St. James homes. Replacing your door is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, security, and efficiency. With newer materials like fiberglass and steel, you get superior durability, energy savings, and modern design options that fit every style. Plus, professional installation ensures a perfect fit, eliminating drafts, gaps, and performance issues from day one. Final thoughts. If you've noticed drafts, difficulty operating your door, visible damage, or higher energy bills, these are not issues to overlook. St. James residents who act quickly to replace worn-out doors enjoy safer homes, lower utility costs, and improved curb appeal. Whether it's your front entry door, patio sliding door, or any other access point, upgrading is a smart move that pays off for years to come. Your door should protect, insulate, and welcome. If it's failing in any of these areas, it's time to consider a professional door replacement.